Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. When to implement automated mobile app testing. One of the main indicators for transitioning away from manual testing towards automatic is the size of the application in question. The larger the application, the more tasks a member of staff would need to complete, with human error potentially causing issues with your results' accuracy. Use automated mobile app testing when examining large applications across several devices, as you benefit from faster responses and can get back to development sooner. While this is a more traditional view that relies on a significant manual presence, the introduction of machine learning and image recognition is changing this. Development teams are increasingly seeing greater testing efficiency and financial gains from implementing automated mobile app testing, with increasing return on investment on applications across the board. Focusing on implementing a top-of-the-line platform such as ZAPTEST can have a major impact on your company's outcomes regardless of the specifics of your mobile application. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.